As I mentioned in the last video, in order to use Google AdSense, you need to have a Google account. To create a Google account, you can navigate to google.com, and from the Google search page, go ahead and click on the blue Sign In button at the top right of your screen. I know it seems a little funny we're clicking on the Sign In button when we don't yet have an account, but from this Google Sign In page, we can click on the blue link at the bottom that says Create an Account. After clicking on that link, it will take us to the Google Account Creation screen. On this page, we need to provide Google with some information to be associated with our account. Go ahead and enter your first and last name here. I'm going to use a fictitious lynda.com brand because I already have a Google account. We also have the option of creating a Gmail email address with our account or using a current email address to be associated with the Google account. What you decide to do here is up to you, but I will say that to get the most out of Google's services, it's probably best to create a Gmail account with your Google account to make sure that all of the services run seamlessly and smoothly. You don't actually have to use the Gmail account much, but it will be there if you ever need it. So go ahead and create a Gmail username to be associated with your email account. And then in the box below, we also have to create a password for our Google account. Notice that when we click in the password box, Google tells us that the password must be at least 8 characters long. As we enter the password, Google will let us know in the message box to the left whether or not the password is secure enough. Once you've entered an acceptable password, re-enter it in the second box to verify it with Google. We need to provide our birthday to Google as well in order to verify that we're old enough to use Google's services. Google is also interested in our gender. Not sure exactly why, but you can put whatever's suitable for you in this field. If you ever forget your Google password, Google can send you a text message to recover and reset your Google account password, so make sure you enter a valid phone number in the designated field. We also need to provide Google with a current working email address so that our account can be verified in case we have any important notifications that need to be sent to us. To prove that we're not a robot, we need to enter the verification code exactly as we see it on our screen in the designated field. Google also wants to know where in the world we're located, so go ahead and choose the best option for you in the drop-down menu. Lastly, in order to create a Google account, we need to agree to Google's terms of service and privacy policy. If you click on the links provided by Google, the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy will open up in a new tab. Once you're ready, go ahead and go back to the Google account creation screen and click on the checkbox to say that you agree to the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And then you can go ahead and click on the blue Next Step button. On the screen that appears, Google will let us know that our Google account has been created, but we have the option of adding a photo to our Google account if we'd like. So if you'd like to do that, you can click on the blue Add a Photo link and then follow the on-screen instructions, or you can just click on the blue Next Step button, which is what I'll do for this example. On the page that follows, Google says, "Welcome, Jason. Your new email address has been created, and you're ready to start using your Google account." In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google account to the Google AdSense service. The Google account also comes with a lot of different services and features that at some point you might want to use. So it may be worth exploring all of the different services and features that are now available to you since you've created a Google account.